to me. Like Valentine's Day, Schmalentine's Day. Teddy bears and candy is all played out. Take me on a trip, and that's what I call a Valentine's Day, because we gotta upgrade, okay? Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, also known as Burbeerrybritt. So today I filmed this Valentine's Day look for you guys. It's definitely on the coppery, pinky, goldish side, and I try to use products that aren't too expensive and that you may have already. And if you don't have already, especially for the lid color, I would suggest just getting some glitter, pink glitter, gold glitter, mixing the two. I have these products that I'm using. Stay tuned, get your popcorn, get your makeup, and do your makeup alongside with me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys would like to see how this look turned out, please continue on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. So I've already done my brows off camera, so I'm going to begin by using this Lorac eye primer to prime my lids first. I'm going to let that dry for a little bit, and then next I'm going to go with my NYX Professional Makeup Eye Base. I don't really like this. I'm just using it because it's the only white base that I have. The reasons why I don't like this eyeshadow primer is because it moves around and it doesn't really dry. Like, why do I have to do this? Why do I have to blend and pat? Like, it's so annoying. I don't even know if this is gonna work how I wanted it to. That's why I don't really like using this thing, because it works sometimes and then sometimes it doesn't. Like, I need consistency, okay? Consistency. I'm gonna go in with any setting powder and set that. Ooh, packing it on thick. But that's what you gotta do when you're working with cheaper quality. Like, I'm scared, guys. There's patches. There are patches. This is gonna end badly. This is gonna end badly. Ew. What? WTF. I'm gonna go in with yo, this base is so crazy to me. This base. To not make the same mistake that I did, which is use this NYX Professional nonsense. Okay. That was harsh. I'm sorry. Kind of get upset when things don't go how they're supposed to. We were so close to not making it through, but I think we will make it through. This is kind of like a tapered brush that I'm using. And this brush is from BH Cosmetics, the Lavish set. And I must say, your girl is so impressed. And with this color, I really just want to blend out the edges, so it gives it a blown out effect. I'll be taking this shade right here, using my M514 brush from Morphe to put that in the crease just a little bit lower, and just to like warm up the color a little bit more. And your hand position, you want to be coming up like this, kind of, you know what I'm saying, like, so that you can really get in there. And what I also like to do, press into the shadow and just kind of like tap the position of like where you want to place this color, and kind of just like blend out. You feel me? The heaviest concentration for your eyeshadow should kind of be like in the middle, right? In the crease. And fade it in up here. Follow the shape of your eyeball. And then also, whatever is remaining, kind of like drag it out. Like that. Now I want to go back to the original color that I started off with. Just to make sure that we haven't lost this pinky-ish vibe. Color right here. I'm going to pop this color in the crease. So I'm just like dabbing the color, like just, I'm not even blending, I'm just placing, oh man, I messed up. I'm gonna go ahead and use the fluffier brush that I used earlier and just like blend that out. Because this was a denser brush, it's not gonna blend as great. It's like great for product placement, and then you want to go back with the fluffier brush to really blend out the colors. The fluffier brush prevents like any harsh lines and stuff like that. So I'm going to dip back into that color. Kind of like make a wing with that for my outer V portion. I'm gonna go back, the same brush, the same color that I used earlier, which was this lightish peach color. So I'm going to cut my crease with my concealer, my Sephora No Coverage or Make No Mistake concealer. One time I was out of frame, sorry. This is what happens when you're so into the makeup. I'm sorry guys, like, a filming situation sometimes kind of sucks. Sometimes it doesn't. I'm gonna take this color again. I'm gonna go in with sequin. With my finger, of course. I'm placing that over it. And I'm gonna go over that with Twitter Pated. I hope you guys enjoyed how this look turned out. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please follow me on all my social media. My name is Burbeerrybritt, just as it is on YouTube, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!